Hey everybody, welcome to Mayor's Lawn and Garden. Today I'm going to kind of show y'all how to propagate some plants. If y'all like this type of content and want to see more, um, always leave a comment, put a like, something else that you want propagated. But I've got some geraniums that I definitely want to grow again next year. So I'm going to kind of show y'all the process of how I do that. I'm kind of learning as I go as well. So any tips or pointers would be great, but I will get a couple cuttings and kind of show y'all what we've got. So firstly, we have our geranium plant here, a little worse for wear. Looked really good at the beginning of spring, but kind of gone downhill from there. It's not really putting out any more flowers. There's a couple new shoots, but from what I understand is we need to go to a shoot like this that is branching off new, and we will need to cut between this one and this one here. So with a pair of sharp scissors, you're going to go cut between the first and second leaf stem there. And then what we're going to end up doing is this very first leaf and probably this leaf here, we're going to peel these back. And then we're going to trim the stem to a point. Okay, so those first two are pulled off. Now we're going to trim this end to a point. Okay, now that we have trimmed it to a point, we're going to go through and pull off all these little covers here, all these little new leaf growths. We want as much energy going into rooting as before we go ahead and have it grow more leaves. So we're going to pull these off real quick, and then I'll show you the soil that I'm going to put these in. Okay, so that's trimmed. Now I'm going to go get a small batch of soil. I have one more that I've trimmed from this, so I'm going to try 2 right now, and then we will go from there. Okay, so what we have here is some compost. I have been composting this for about 2 months, 2-3 months. It is black cow manure, Anderson's Dirt Booster with mycorrhizal fungi, and a little bit of sand mixed in. There is some roots and stuff, so I'll just kind of go through there and kind of pick out some of the stuff that's not going to break down or not promote rooting of your 2 new propagated pieces here. So from what I understand is these go in the dirt, give them some water, set them inside, give them a little bit of sunlight, but not too much. So by a window or something like that. And this is about a 3 to 4 week process before we see rooting and it actually taking off. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. I'm going to keep the soil moist, but not too wet. And then I will keep y'all updated as the weeks go on. Alrighty, here we go. We have the 2 pieces that we cut off of this plant. I'm starting with 2 because I'm not really sure how this is going to work, and there's a couple other methods that I want to try, but as of right now, this is kind of what I'm going to go with. I'm probably going to give it about 2 to 3 weeks. If within the first week they start dying, obviously I'll update y'all on that, and we'll try a different method, but hopefully this will turn out as good as I want it to be. Like I said, I'll keep y'all updated. If there's any other plants that you want to see propagated, I've got several other ones. I have some Swedish ivy. I have a few other plants. I have some sage bushes that I really want to try to propagate. I want to set those along the fence line. So if y'all just let me know, like I said, leave a comment, leave a like, let me know what y'all think, and I will see y'all here in about a week.